Hi friends, welcome to Anu's Life. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and it's free. So friends, for this recipe we require chopped onion, chopped green chili, garlic, and here I have chana besan, and next we need the fish egg. I've washed it, and next salt, garam masala, red chili powder and turmeric powder. Now we have to mix it well in a bowl, and in the fish egg I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. In the bowl I'm going to add the fish egg. I'm taking Rohu fish egg, and next I'm going to add chopped onions. 1 big onion I've taken, green chili and garlic. Yes friends, and next we have to add the powder masalas, that is turmeric powder, salt, 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and next I'm going to add some salt. Here you go. And after that I'm going to add Kashmiri mirch powder, and next I'm going to add besan. After mixing, it is going to look like this, and the consistency should neither be very thick nor be thin, so that we can make nice pakora out of it. Now after that I'm going to add kalonji, black, and next I'm going to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of mustard oil in a kadai, and once the oil gets heated we are going to put the batter in the form of pakora. You can see and we have to cook it like this. We have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes till it gets cooked inside nicely. So friends, please try this at home and enjoy with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and share with your family and friends. Till then, bye bye, take care, and I'll come again with another nice video.